Hello everyone, Income with Aviation here. So on this video, I'm gonna be talking about 100 subscribers. So thank you all very much for 100 subscribers, and I really appreciate you guys. If I even get to 500 subs and then get money for my family, my mom would be proud and my dad would be proud. So thanks you guys for all supporting me from just from literally just 43 48 250 150 from from 1k 14k into all of these to the populace 2.9k views. So I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me until I get 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna make 100 subscribers special, explaining about anything, or I just stream playing games on Roblox, not, and I do hate what's his name again? The CEO of Roblox. David Bazooka. He got hit by a bazooka. That's why I called him David Bazooka. So, guys, one thing I have to tell you about, please literally hate on the Airbus Fan, because he's very bad. But you can hate him, but do not make him sub to him. Don't comment anything. Just say bad words to him. After that, just ignore him completely, and he will quit YouTube. Now let's hear his joke. So you think that this guy is gonna quit, but guess what? It's 13 hours ago, and look at the date. It's April 2, and look down. 6-7 jokes and April Fools. Bruh, I fucking hate you. I wanna fucking kill you and eat your organs. This is why I hate the Airbus Fan. Even if you subscribe to me, I'm not gonna support you anymore. I'm gonna just ignore you and literally just don't care about you. I need everyone and every aviation fan to help me and kill this guy. The best could help me is BKB does random stuff. So, and also KM Aviation 10. So please unsubscribe to this guy, or just ignore him and unsubscribe to him. He will lose subs. Alright. Airbus. Oh wait, not Airbus. I mean Income with Aviation. Out. Peace.